One of the cheapest phones in the market right now is the Itel A06. It is among the few phones under 100,000 naira, but it doesn't offer much for its price. If you are a tech-savvy person with wide expectations, this phone is definitely not for you. But that is not to say this phone is not useful. For 90,000 naira, the Itel A06 could be a perfect gift for a child, depending on your pocket by the way. The phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery, runs on Android Go edition, and the storage capacity is 32 gig with 2 gig of RAM space, expandable by another 2 gig. Inside the box, you get the basic accessories which include a bumper case, a MEF 5W charger, a Type-C cable, a SIM eject pin, and one made-in-Aba earpiece. Again, if you are a young person with a high expectation, stay away from this device unless you have no other options because of your budget. Now, the three advantages of this device are the design, the display, and the camera. For the design, it supports a back fingerprint scanner, a SIM tray that holds 2 SIM cards and a memory card at the same time, and a matte bag that hardly retains fingerprint impressions. The camera module holding the 8 megapixel main sensor doesn't look bad as well, and the flashlight in the module is very bright. Finally, on the design, the bumper case does not only provide protection for the phone, it also adds to its beauty. This is not just a random protective case that we find on some devices. Not that the design is extraordinary, but I know these people, the design could have been worse. I will give it a pass mark. The next thing here is the display. It breaks my heart that the display resolution is only 540 pixels, making it the worst display resolution I have ever reviewed. I don't think that the refresh rate is up to 60 Hz, and you can easily see that when you scroll. But the reason I don't have problems with this resolution is that images are well displayed on the screen. You get clear graphics, and when you touch anything on the display, it responds very fast. I also appreciate the fact that this display is very bright. I don't want to mention brand names, but I have reviewed phones worth over 250k with better display resolutions. But on the surface, the display of this device is brighter and sharper. I will give this display a go. Finally, the camera. Initially, I was hoping to see the worst camera ever on this device. Surprisingly, it managed to secure amazing shots. It is also remarkable how a camera like this is able to effectively blur background, focusing on the main object. This is a very simple camera. You only get photo and video modes here. The video mode records at maximum 720 pixels at 30 frames per second. I also appreciate that with this video mode, you can get some sort of blur and focus. For example, I can focus on this flower in the foreground or shift the focus to the microphone in the background while the flower is blurred. The 5 megapixel front camera also outperformed my expectation. I took some pictures under studio lighting settings and outdoors. The quality is better than what I imagined. So here is the video I recorded with the front camera. Okay guys, so this is the Itel A06. Is it A06 or A06? However you choose to pronounce it. This is the front camera. It's a 5 megapixel camera and I think it's a good one. I was expecting to see something that is worse than this, but really I think it's fine. I'm recording indoor with 2 camera lights here. I have one right here and the other one is right here. So it's kind of bright, and I think if I go outdoor I'll still get similar quality as well. It doesn't really do well when in a dark room, but for now when there's light, I think it's a good one. It is now time to talk about the not so good aspects of this phone. What I'm about to say is not to demarket Itel. I'm only going to state some facts about this phone based on the specifications. But in general, lately Itel have been making very good phones. Even though the Itel A06 is only around 90,000 naira, some of its specs are not so desirable. Consider for example the 5W charger. It will take a longer time to completely charge a 4000 mAh battery on the phone. A 10W charger is a big no for me. How much more 5W? Have you ever been in a situation where you plug a charger to your phone at the same time operating the device, and instead of the battery percentage to increase, it keeps decreasing? This is the kind of charger that does that. One more reason why this phone may not be a fit for a regular user is that it does not support 4G internet connection. It only supports 3G and 2G. This is another negative impression I have about this phone. Who makes a 3G phone in 2024? But then it even gets worse because the performance is not really nice. Sometimes it takes way more than the usual time to open a simple app. At almost every turn in the device, you will notice lagging. Now imagine how it will look like after installing several games and apps. If you are buying this device for a child, games will surely be installed. Children love games. Few arcade games should work just fine, but anything beyond that will be a different story. Let me know what you think in the comment section and see you in my next video.